Many people don't realize their kidneys start weakening long before symptoms appear. Most early kidney damage is completely silent, which makes daily food choices incredibly important. One surprising study even shows kidney function drops nearly 30% before most people notice anything strange. Today you'll discover 10 powerful foods that protect, cleanse, and support your kidneys naturally. Your kidneys work non-stop to filter toxins, balance minerals, and keep your entire body functioning. Yet they often receive the least care despite their essential role in overall health. In this video, you'll learn about simple foods that help repair kidney health, boost kidney cleanse functions, and support natural detox processes. Have you ever wondered which foods quietly heal your kidneys without you realizing? Stay with me until the end because number 8 surprises most viewers. Blueberries, nature's powerful antioxidant shield. Blueberries contain strong antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress inside your kidneys. Many experts say oxidative damage is one of the earliest signs of kidney aging. These berries support toxin removal and boost filtration efficiency while keeping your blood vessels healthy. Try adding a handful to your breakfast to support daily kidney cleansing naturally. Have you noticed blueberries improve your energy levels? Comment below and share your experience. Red bell peppers, low potassium and high nutrients. Red bell peppers offer a perfect balance of flavor and kidney-friendly nutrients because they are low in potassium yet high in vitamins A and C. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support healthy detox pathways within your body. Their antioxidants help protect delicate kidney tissues from free radical damage. Many kidney experts recommend peppers because they add nutrients without stressing your kidneys. Try using them in salads or stir-fries for daily kidney support. Garlic, the ancient kidney-boosting superfood. Garlic has been used for centuries in natural remedies because it supports circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps lower harmful toxins. Its active compound allicin helps protect kidneys from oxidative stress and may slow down kidney decline. Studies show garlic can even help balance blood pressure, which is a major kidney health factor. Add 1 or 2 cloves to your meals for stronger kidney functionality. Do you use garlic every day already? If you're finding these kidney health tips helpful, remember to like this video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more natural remedies, kidney cleanse foods, and weekly healing tips. Cauliflower, a perfect kidney detox vegetable. Cauliflower contains compounds that help your liver and kidneys neutralize harmful toxins. It's low in potassium and packed with folate, fiber, and vitamin C, which support daily natural detox functions. Many people replace mashed potatoes with cauliflower to reduce potassium load, helping relieve pressure on weak kidneys. This vegetable supports smooth digestion, which also reduces toxin buildup. Try steaming or roasting it for the best kidney-friendly benefits. Olive oil, healthy fats that support kidney cells. Olive oil is one of the best fats for kidney health because it reduces inflammation and supports healthy blood pressure. Its polyphenol help protect kidney cells from oxidative aging and damage. Good fats also support hormone balance, which influences kidney function. Studies show people using extra virgin olive oil often have better detox and filtration efficiency. Use a spoon daily on salads or vegetables to support natural kidney remedies. Apples, the fiber-rich kidney cleanser. Apples are rich in pectin and fiber, which help regulate cholesterol and blood sugar levels. These two factors directly impact kidney strain over time. Apples also contain natural antioxidants that support kidney tissue repair and help reduce inflammation. Eating 1 apple a day can help your body flush toxins more effectively. Have you felt any digestive improvements after eating apples regularly? Share your thoughts below. Cranberries, famous for urinary tract protection. Cranberries are widely known for supporting urinary tract health, which directly reduces pressure on your kidneys. Their compounds help prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your urinary walls, lowering infection risk. Infections can quickly damage kidneys, so cranberries act like a protective shield. Drink unsweetened cranberry juice or add dried cranberries in moderation to your snacks. Their benefits become stronger when consumed consistently. Spinach, a surprising source of kidney-supporting nutrients. Although spinach does contain moderate oxalates, It remains highly beneficial for kidney health when eaten in balanced portions. Spinach offers magnesium, plant protein, and essential antioxidants that support filtration and detox pathways. It also helps maintain healthy red blood cells, which improve kidney performance. The key is consuming small cooked portions rather than large raw servings. Many people feel increased energy when they include cooked spinach in their meals. Ginger, the anti-inflammatory detox root. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation, allowing more efficient kidney filtration. Its powerful compounds help your body break down toxins faster, supporting a natural kidney cleanse. Ginger tea is especially effective because it warms digestion and supports detoxification. Many people drink ginger tea daily to feel lighter and more energized. Try adding thin slices to warm water for easy daily cleansing. Watermelon, hydration that supports filtration. Watermelon is one of the best hydration foods because it contains over 90% water. Proper hydration helps your kidneys flush toxins, balance minerals, and maintain healthy filtration pressure. Watermelon also provides citrulline, which may support blood vessel relaxation and better kidney circulation. Eat it during warm weather or after exercise for natural hydration. This fruit supports smooth detox and keeps your kidneys functioning effectively. Final note: these 10 powerful foods support kidney cleanse, natural detox, and daily kidney protection. Adding just a few of them to your meals can improve your long-term kidney health and overall energy. Your kidneys work silently every second, so give them the support they deserve. For more helpful videos, watch the next one appearing on your screen now and continue strengthening your kidneys naturally.